Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this 12.3-inch RPS touchscreen special for Mazda CX-5. Okay, new year, latest model. Okay, let me unbox review. Okay, it comes with this cable and cover and the install kit. This install part, metal install part, and the header unit. This screen and the cover, and this screen. High resolution. Okay, firstly let me introduce the honey set first. Okay, this cover and part come with header unit together. Okay, this external microphone and this adapter antenna. This radio GPS antenna. This GPS antenna. This 4G antenna. And this audio cable, you can check it comes with the SIM card slot. Okay. And there are two USB cable. And this connects our back header unit, and this SPDI, this external microphone. This one do not need to connect. This 12 voltage amplifier. This 12 voltage. This AUX. And this one do not need to connect. Okay. And this for AUX gets the sound to your factory AUX. Okay. Their power adapter, you can check. This adapter connects our back header unit. This is for special Mazda plug. Okay. And this AUX input, left and right. And this camera detect wire. And this camera, this is camera 12 voltage, this is camera detect wire. Okay. And this is AUX 1 and AUX 2, Mazda AUX 2 and AUX 1. You can check this AUX cable. AUX input left and right. AUX input left and right. Okay, that's this cable, and it comes with the installation part. You can check this cover to install 1, 2, 3, 4 screw. Cover seat. Okay, and this install part OEM design you can check. And the back. Okay. And this metal installation. Left and right. Okay. And this head unit, this connect to the screen. This GPS, this 4G, this antenna seat. Mazda CX-5, high resolution and RAM 6 GB and 128 GB. And this connect do not need to connect. And other these two connect one will connect power cable, and this audio cable you can connect this plug. This polarization. And this connects this position. Okay, this head unit and the cable. I can check this head unit. And this high resolution screen. Back. This connection connects this connector connect to this position. And the front screw. Okay, that's all. Thank you.